Welcome guys. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 and we are going to make a test if this feature with faster recognition is really faster than the normal way. So at the first we are going to turn it off and we are going to make 5 tries with the normal face unlock, and after that we'll use also this feature. Of course here we got the stopwatch, so we are going to count that time. So let me just put the phone like that and let's check if it recognizes my face. Okay, it's working. So right now let's get ready. So 1, 2 and 3. And the last one. Okay, around 8 seconds. So right now let's turn on the faster recognition. Remember, around 8 seconds. So let's reset. And then let's go with the faster one. So 1, 2 and 3. And the last one. As you can see, it is faster. It's almost 2.5 seconds faster. So yeah, definitely worth to turn it on. And if you wonder if you can still unlock phone with video or image, you cannot. I just tested and there is no way to unlock this phone even with this less secure, faster recognition. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!